Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a good spinach dip. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 10 ounces of frozen spinach, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and 1/2 cup of sour cream. Don't forget 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 2 cloves of garlic, and a small onion. Finally, grab your salt, pepper, and a dash of nutmeg for that special touch. Now, let's get into the preparation. Begin by thawing your 10 ounces of frozen spinach and squeezing out all excess water. This is crucial for a thick dip. Next, ensure your 8 ounces of cream cheese is softened to room temperature for easy mixing. Then, finely mince your 2 cloves of garlic and 1/4 of a small onion to evenly distribute their flavors throughout the dip. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, combine the drained spinach, softened cream cheese, sour cream, mayonnaise, minced garlic, onion, and all your seasonings. Stir thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth and evenly blended. For the best flavor development, cover the bowl and chill your dip in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours before serving. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious homemade spinach dip. Serve it chilled with your favorite dippers like crisp crackers, crusty bread, or an assortment of fresh vegetables. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 3 days. For easy meal prep and storage, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.